If you don't look too close, most of my videos look like I'm already in Bali, but I am not yet in Bali. I live in another paradise, and that is Sunshine City, St. Petersburg, Florida. I arrived here in April of 2020, and here I'm celebrating 2 years. So, wow, how lucky am I to live in a gorgeous place? But that didn't just happen by happenstance. I chose this on purpose. And the 11 years that I spent in Bali that really taught me to appreciate how important being surrounded by beauty, the temperature, being near the water really were to my state of health and my overall happiness. I can't discount that because it's changed me for the better and for the rest of my life. I will not live anywhere that doesn't align with how I want to feel at my highest self. So I encourage you to do the same and come to Bali.